Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. From the bustling streets of Kingston to the hearts of Jamaicans across the world, one woman has proven that kindness is the strongest currency. Donna Gowe, better known as Anty Donna, isn't just a household name. She's a living testimony that you don't need millions to make a difference. What you need is love, courage, and the will to serve. Born and raised in Jamaica, Anty Donna knows what it means to struggle. She knows hardship firsthand, poverty, sacrifice, and long days where hope seemed far away. But instead of letting life's struggles break her, she chose to turn pain into power. With nothing more than determination and a giving heart, she started small, helping the people right in front of her. A meal here, a kind word there, a place to rest when somewhere had nowhere else to go. That's how a movement was born. What makes Donna so special? She's not a politician, not a celebrity, not backed by corporate power. She's just Anty Donna. But through her daily acts of generosity, she has become a mother figure to an entire community. Hungry children find food at her gate. Struggling families find relief through her hands. And broken souls, they find laughter, encouragement, and someone who believes in them. Donna has proven that the greatest leaders don't need a stage. They just need a heart. Word spread quickly, first in Kingston, then across Jamaica, and eventually among the Jamaican diaspora worldwide. Her work attracted support from everyday Jamaicans, donors overseas, and even other YouTubers who admired her dedication. Through her platform, countless lives have been touched. She didn't just feed the hungry. She restored dignity. She didn't just provide for today. She planted seeds of hope for tomorrow. Her story reminds us, when you give without expecting anything in return, you multiply blessings beyond your imagination. So what's the lesson from Donna Gowe's journey? That you don't have to wait for perfect conditions to make a difference. Start with what you have, right where you are. If Donna can lift up her community from the corner of a small kitchen in Jamaica, what's stopping you from shining your light in your corner of the world? Because when you bless others, the universe always finds a way to bless you back. Donna Gowe, Anty Donna, she's proof that one woman's heart can change a nation's spirit. And her story is a challenge to us all. Will you be the light for someone else? Will you use your life to serve? Remember, true greatness is not measured by wealth, but by the lives you touch. If you enjoyed this kind of video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.